Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a streamer who's been hitting roadblocks with PayPal errors preventing you from receiving donations, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll dive into how to fix these issues step by step, tailored for 2025. Let's get straight to it because I know you're eager to get those tips flowing again. First off, understand the common culprits. PayPal errors often arise from account verification problems, outdated settings, or mismatches with your streaming platform. Don't panic. These are usually quick fixes. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account and head straight to the dashboard. Check your account status to ensure it's fully verified. If it's not, add your bank details or a credit card to complete verification. This is the foundation for secure transactions. Step 2. Double-check your personal info. Make sure your email address and phone number are confirmed and up to date. Go to Settings, Security and verify everything. It's a simple step that resolves a lot of glitches. Step 3. If you're streaming regularly, switch to a PayPal business account for better donation handling. Navigate to Account Settings, Business Information, and set it up if you haven't already. This is especially useful for 2025's updated policies. Step 4. Now, integrate properly with your streaming platform like Twitch or YouTube. Ensure your PayPal email matches the one linked in your stream settings. Test a small transaction to confirm it's working. Step 5. Sometimes, it's as easy as clearing your cache. If you're using a browser or app, clear the data and restart. This can fix temporary bugs. If the problem persists, reach out to PayPal support with details like the error code. They're usually helpful and can guide you through any advanced issues. There you have it. Easy steps to get your donations back on track. Remember, staying proactive with your account settings will save you headaches down the line. If this video helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more streaming tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming.